Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another ramble session. Yes, and I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee. Excuse me. Yep, it's still, well, it's not really early because of the stupid time change. I thought I was getting up early, and no, that was not the case. I was an hour later than I thought I was gonna be. We haven't changed the clock in our bedroom yet. Anyhow, welcome back. Thank you for being here. It is actually Monday, so I am actually doing a ramble session on Monday. We got back into town yesterday. We were down south for, I don't even know how long. I don't know. I can't remember. I know we were there longer than the weekend, so I hope y'all had a great weekend. We had a nice time down there. We went out on the boat once and went fishing, no catching. And then we ended up getting stuck. We had a little bit of engine trouble, but thank goodness we know a boat mechanic, and he is my daughter's boyfriend. So, yeah, my husband called him up on speakerphone, and he walked us through the whole thing while we were just floating about in the channel. Yeah, it was fun. So I am so thankful that he was able to help us out, and it saved me a heart attack, and it saved my husband from strangling me, because I'm kind of like a freaker outer, you know? Yeah, it was not good. So anyway, but obviously we got home safely. So yeah, yesterday we got home, and yeah, I have a lot to show you within my books. But I'm going to be doing a few more videos today. I really want to do a few more videos because I have been so lax in getting videos out. I'm very sorry for that. It's this business of going down south all the time, you know? So like almost every week now we've been going down south for a while. We have business down there right now. We're trying to sell one of our rental property down there. So luckily it's going okay. She's been showing it a lot, which is great. And yeah, and then I was busy, of course, you know, if you saw last week's ramble, I was busy like the whole previous week helping my daughter with her art project at school and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, I have not really been able to be in the craft room. But when we were down south, we did get a chance to go to the Salvation Army and to the library. And yes, I know I said I was not going to do that. Oh my gosh, ladies, the struggle is real, okay? The struggle is real. I love going because for like a total of $5, I can get so many different unique books to use within my journaling and all of that. But the problem is that now they're starting to stack up on my floor, which is not a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put like some packets together or something to like give away. I don't know. Something has to be done though. So anyhow, yeah, I've got a few different videos coming up this week. So be prepared for a lot of videos this week, I hope. Okay, so one is going to be my haul video, which I don't normally do, but apparently every time I go down to the Keys, I end up hauling stuff. And then, of course, I've been asked about my glue book progress, which there has been none. But this week, I have started placing some pictures in where I want to glue them. And so hopefully we are going to work on this week, and we're going to do it together. Some news about my journals. Let's see. This journal right here, this brown one, is my November-December 2019. I finally finished it yesterday. Okay. Finally finished my December. And if you remember, in December of last year, what I had done was I went through the whole entire month, and I had just picked out magazine clippings and put them in as pockets, and then I was using up my plethora of notepads, right? Christmas notepads. So that's what I did throughout the whole month of December. I thought it was going to make it easier for me. I thought I was going to be able to keep on top of it, and well, no, that didn't happen. But I did finally get it all done. So I'm really happy about that. So yeah, I'll be starting this week doing some flip throughs of my December 2020 book so that, excuse me, there's Fred, so that I can start on my journal flip throughs of this year, right? So this year, I'm using these beautiful illustrated dictionaries that I got from Recreations by Brooke. And I'm pretty much done with, this is January. Yeah, I'm pretty much done with January. And then it goes into my February, which I'm almost done with. Yeah, you've seen some of these pages. Like last week, I showed you that I did this, right? And then this right here is a tip-in little bag that my daughter gave me from one of her students. It's like a little party bag. And so this is my son's birthday and all of the notes in there that I took. So you saw that. But then over the weekend, I worked on finishing up some of these pages here. And then this page, you know, it's funny because I got a lot of comments and sweet compliments on this page. And what's funny about it to me is that this is not my normal style. I can appreciate vintage. I like vintage. But it's not really my style in my creative daily journal. I am a much more colorful, smash it together kind of person. But this was actually like a prompt challenge, and I can't remember for which month it was. It could have been March, but I belong to the group Mixed Media Emporium on Facebook, and it's run by Kylie Koo Studios and Nina Rabina. I'll leave all the links below. And their prompt, I think it was actually for March, but I did it in February because I just happened to be working on this page and I saw the prompt and I was like, ooh, I can do that. So that's what I did. And their Facebook group, by the way, it's not like a Facebook group to just showcase your journaling or your junk journals or your mixed media art. That's not the purpose of it. The purpose of it is strictly for their monthly prompt. So you can showcase how you did the monthly prompt. And I think for the month of March, even though this is my February book, the prompt for March was to use or make out of your stash, I think, make envelopes, right? So that's what I did. And these actually happen to be in my stash. So I kind of cheated. Like I used something that was already in my stash. I have a whole stack of these envelopes that I had made out of coffee and tea stained papers. And so I added just a little cluster of stuff, did some stamping on it. Yeah, made a little tag out of an old almanac thing and did my journaling on it. And so that's how that came out. And then, yeah, this is more my style. Bright, colorful, you know, whatever. But yeah, I did, while I was down south, I was able to get my journaling done. You've seen these pages. I do my journaling. Oh, wait, what was that back there? I do my journaling. Oh yeah, see, that was just a plain flat page, boring kind of page. But anyway, I do my journaling in stages. So if you didn't know, like I'll go through and I might decorate the page, right? Like I might like do this, right? Like I decorate the page itself and then I go around hunting for things that I can use for tags, and then I make the tag, and then I found this which I thought was cute, so I just added that in there. So I do like I could spend 3 days on one single page, you know, just doing a little bit at a time. So it's, my process is really here, there, and everywhere. Yeah, I just go where my muse takes me. So if I don't feel like doing this day, but I feel like doing this day, then I'll do that. This happened to be the day that I was helping my daughter with her classroom project, and I brought my book in, and the kids actually used the background of the page as their wipe-off sheet before they dumped their paintbrushes in water, so I thought that was cute. Yeah, so I've done some things. This is the end of the month. There's the little frog for leap year. I actually got this offline. Super cute. It's like a little watercolored frog. He's so cute. So this is almost done. So I'm super excited that I am nearly done with January and February. And I pretty well kept on top of it. I mean, yes, I know we're in the, first week of March, second week of March. I don't even know. But I'm doing okay, all right? I'm not 4 months behind, so that's good. And then this is my March, April book. And yeah, I need to add some more things to this pocket. And then, yeah, I did like one page. This was my daughter had gotten some HelloFresh meals because she's a teacher. So HelloFresh, I guess, was sending like, I don't know how many free meals because she was a teacher, because she is a teacher. So that was super fun. And we had 3 meals so far, and they were all really good. And then this picture here, which I'm sure you can see, is a beautiful snowy picture of the mountains out in Utah. My son and some of his work buddies flew out to Utah last week and spent the week on a ski trip. So how fun for him, right? Yeah, he had a great time. And then, yeah, we saw him last night. He came over last night. He said he had a great time. He didn't take too many pictures other than the ones that he shared with us online, so I printed one of them out. And then he wanted me to give him a mohawk, so I gave him a mohawk. And that was yesterday. So at any rate, so yeah, I'm behind, again. Here's another beautiful page that I just might tip something in because the picture's so pretty. And then, oh yeah, this has to do with like the stupid time change. Why they still do it, I don't know. And I don't like it because I woke up an hour later than I should have this morning. Anyhow, that was that. So, working on that. Excuse me again. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, coming up, I try to mention this every time. If you want to know how I make these books, I have sorry for the glare, I have a playlist that I will link below. Excuse me. I have a playlist where it shows the steps from beginning to end. I'm not actually making this particular dictionary book, but I am making these books right here. Okay, and these are composition books that I've just revamped, right, to make my own books. And I put 2 signatures in. Each signature holds 8 pages. When you fold them together, that's enough for 1 month's worth of journaling. So at the end of the year, I have 6 books with 2 months each of journaling every day of my life. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make one of these, go to the playlist below that I'll put in. And I think I call it my hybrid creative journal. So anyway, if you want to learn how to make one, because the process is the same for any book that I use where I'm increasing the spine. It's the same exact process every time. And it's super easy to do. It is not difficult at all. So I have that and some videos that are going to be coming up this week. I think today I'm going to be filming most of the day. I'm hoping to anyway. I've got a bit of a headache, so we'll see how it goes. But I have my haul from the Salvation Army and the library, which normally I would just do on this show, this ramble session, but it's a lot. I found a lot of stuff, and so yeah, so I'll show that in a separate video. And then I do want to start working on my glue book, and I want to do that together with you guys, I think, so on a video. So maybe I'll do a glue with me video where I start on my glue book finally. And then, excuse me, again, what else was I going to show you now? I forgot. Yes, the glue book. I've got flip throughs coming up because I'm finally finishing up some of my books. And my haul video, yes. And then this I want to show you. Oh my gosh, look at that fabric. Yes, I got a lovely Happy Mail. I got home back into town yesterday, and there was this big box on my table, and it was from my sweet friend Carla Frizzell, and I will leave her links below. So make sure you stay tuned because I will be sharing this beautiful rack. And if you don't know what a rack is, R-A-K, it's a random act of kindness. It's just when somebody says, I think I'm gonna make something and send it randomly. That's what it is. And it's just a very sweet thing to do. And it is just, you know, to bring a smile to somebody's face. And Carla, you brought a smile to my face and I haven't even opened it yet. So yeah, I'm gonna get busy opening this as well. That'll be a separate video. Okay, so there are probably gonna be videos enough for y'all every day this week is what I'm hoping. Yeah, as I work on some other things going along. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm excited to be back in here this week, working on my journals, working on my stuff, working on filming videos because I love filming videos for you guys. And I think that is about it for this video. So make sure that you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Yeah, subscribe if you like what you see, then you'll keep on seeing it. And make sure to click the notification bell so that you will get notified every time a new video pops up. And I'm hoping that this week your phone or your device will be dinging off the hook with Elizabeth has a new video. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for lots of different videos this week. And I'm really hoping to get in some journal with me videos and some glue with me videos. That's my goal. That is my goal. Yeah, I hope to be very busy in my room this week. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week. And look forward to this video where I open sweet Carla's gift to me, and yeah, all the other fun stuff that I'm gonna get up into, you know. Follow along with me, come along for the ride. So I'll talk to you all real soon. Thanks again. Bye for now.